finally have a quiet minute to record. And I was using it to do some ink drawing. I just hit myself in the face. All right, so I'm going to just finish off a little bit of my process when I'm doing ink. So I'm using a brown and I'm coloring in right now because that's my favorite part. A little brown bird. When I was about 8 years old, I was gifted with a set of ink from the artist next door. And I love ink painting. Oh, I think our little brown bird might be a cardinal. I'm not using a reference photo. I'm just following my whimsy. Be a robin, could be a sparrow. We have goldfinches. We have house finches. We have purple finches. We have all that nest in our yard. Cardinals, song sparrows. The little gray and blue sparrows, what are they called? Juncos. Yeah. We have many, many, many birds. Flickers, nuthatches, cardinals. Many, many, many. Okay, what have I got? Orange here. Okay. I like the ink because it layers, so each stroke, none of the strokes get lost, and I love brush strokes to show. I like layering in an image because I believe it depicts movement and possibility, and it allows the viewer's mind some freedom to construct, and it allows me as an artist freedom to interact with my vision and my own mind and to see what I see in sometimes random lines. Like I like to create texture rather than form, as you can see. So even when I work with line, I do it loosely, which is why I'm not a tattoo artist. Although I would love to. Maybe I'll be a granny who does tattoos one day. Can you imagine? And I will use a dirty black pen. No, I don't want to do that. Still not great. Okay, clean enough. In I go. There we go. All right, highlighty bits. Remember, these babies are camouflaged. They look like sticks. Little bits of fluff. They don't even look like a bird. Just a ball of need. Which is actually why I did this particular sketch this morning, is because my baby birds were a ball of need, and they were like, feed me. All right. Poor little dragonfly. Let's put a little emphasis on the dragonfly. Something beautiful. Okay, so I'll just use the blue here. There, as a focal point. Not only is it a beautiful contrasting color to the other tones, but it's the only spot with that color, so it really draws the eye. All right, enjoy.